guys, welcome back to another vlog. So the last video I play with the muscle car again. Now let's play it again. So, intensity, okay. Intensity. Oh no. What? Hill climb racing 2. Okay, let's play Hill climb racing 2. This is my favorite game, by the way. Offline? No, it's not offline. Even points to. What is happening in the team? Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, legendary roosters for hill climber. Joy. Accept. Oh. I want to join someone. So who won? Who won? Oh, they won. Triple ST. They ride Triple ST. Oh. Okay. I know. I'm just missing time. But let's upgrade some vehicles and play intensity. And upgrade the tractor. You know what? I'll save it. I only need Doom Buggy Mastery. Doom Buggy Mastery is noice. So let's get started with Muskil car. By the way, muscle car is my favorite vehicle. It climbs hills very easily, like sports car. No, Ultra. Again. Almost lost my roof. It's so hard. I don't know why, because it is intensity. Intense. City. bro. Look at this. Hey bro, look at this. Ah. I know what. Like I just joined my own team because the other team's leader will not be online because I think his account is no longer there. You can join in any team event. That's why I joined my own team. They are good, like good. That's why I joined the old team. Like, why is it so hard? Why? Just nah. What is this Russian? Is this Russian, bro? Okay, tap to spin. Yeah, okay. Countryside is okay. Countryside. No. Countryside. What happened, bro? This is the most hard one. Also, girl, it's good. Very good. How? Okay, after this try, I'm gonna end the video because bagus. have like 10 minutes. Stop! How is this? 100,000 coins and 50 gems? Wait. One. These are the two guys that are pro. That are pro. Runner. No. I think I'm the only Indian here. Why is everyone offline? Why is everyone offline? The rage, baby. What? Okay. What is it? Okay. So, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow when I play cups.